Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLE trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a hefty iron cross bumper on the front and on the rear, and a bit of a lift installed, as you can probably tell. It does have heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear, and a headache rack on the back with side rails. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle seat, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there. And looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 181,645 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, trip timer, engine hours, and transmission fluid. Then you can also go into your audio, phone, navigation, and settings. And then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, and you do have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Then moving on to the left, where you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and your lighting controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, CD, Bluetooth, and I believe also auxiliary, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything. And then moving down from that, you have your media controls and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. Then you have your traction control shut off and your cargo lights. And then down below, you have this compartment for storage and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, 3 little cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest, which opens up to reveal plenty of space, and 2 USBs, SD card slot, auxiliary, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too, hook up your audio or whatever you want. Then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.